Now here in this question, a card sheet divided into squares, each of size 1 millimeter square, now is being viewed at a distance of 9 centimeter. So, u is equal to minus 9 centimeter through a magnifying glass of focal length 10 centimeters. So, f is equal to 10 centimeter held close to the eye. Now, what is the magnification produced by the lens and how much is the area of the each square in the virtual image? So, now see, for getting the magnification we need first V. So, we have been given here U9 and F10. First we need to calculate V. So, 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U, that is 1 upon 10 is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon minus 9, that is a plus 1. So, 1 upon V is equal to, and here 1 upon 10 minus 1 upon 9. So, that is here minus, here 9 minus 10 divided by 90. So, minus 1 upon 90. So, V is equal to minus 90 centimeter. So, we have got the V, that is a minus 90 centimeter. So, when we have got V, that is minus 90 centimeter, we can calculate magnification. So, for the magnification what we, I will just rub this part here and write here, for the magnification we can write M is equal to V upon U. So, see how much it is coming, M is equal to V upon U here, that is magnitude. So, we can write here minus 90, or if you do not take here the magnitude, then also it is a minus 90 divided by minus 9. So, here M is equal to 10. So, magnification is coming here 10. So, now we can find also the area of each square, that is area is equal to, that is the area of the each square image, that is here 10 square into 1 millimeter. So, obviously this is 100 square millimeter square. So, this is 100 millimeter square. So, we have got this much is the area. Now, see, after getting the area we have to calculate magnifying power. Now, look at the B part. What is the angular magnification, that is the magnifying power. So, we can calculate magnifying power also. So, magnifying power M is equal to, it is D upon U. D we have got here, that is a 25 centimeter divided by, here it is here 9, U was here, that is a 9 centimeter, that is a 9. So, you will be getting here, that is a 2.8. This is the B part. Now, see the C part, is the magnification in A equal to the magnifying power in B? See here, magnification in A was 10, magnifying power in B it is here, that was here 2.8, they are not equal unless V is equal to D. So, magnifying power is not equal to magnification unless image distance is equal to the least distance of distinct vision.